Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports live wallpapers. Most modern Android phones do. Once done, open Pinterest and sign in, then locate a video or animated pin. That's what will become live. Make sure you save or download the pin to your gallery. You want the original media file locally available because the wallpaper tool needs that file. Now pause here only until the clip is saved. We'll convert it in the next step. Next, open a live wallpaper maker or the built-in wallpaper picker and import the saved video/GIF. Crop to your screen ratio. For most phones, that's 16:9, and set the loop behavior so it repeats smoothly. Make adjustments like playback speed and disable audio. Live wallpapers should be subtle to save battery. Preview the result on both home and lock screens. Once the preview looks right, export or save it as a live wallpaper package ready for applying. Finally, apply the live wallpaper from your device settings or the Wallpaper app, selecting whether it shows on home, lock, or both screens. Make sure background animation permission is allowed so the clip runs continuously. If the animation pauses or won't play, check battery saver and app permissions. Disable restrictive modes. If the image looks blurry, re-export at a higher bitrate or use the original downloaded file. If problems persist, restart your phone and reapply the exported wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.